Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, click here at the midpoint, make a line here with 50 millimeters, a line here with 30 millimeters, 20 millimeters here, 3 millimeters here, close here, make this sketch here. Okay, go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point here and this point is 12 millimeters. Let me move this a little bit. Go to sketch, go to constraint, select the equal, select this line and this line here, raise 2, raise 2, and this 2. Okay, okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these 2 points here is 10 millimeters. Go to constraint, select equal, select this line equal here. Okay, go to constraint, select this point and this point here. Okay, and select this point here and this point here. Okay, close the sketch here. We have this. Finish the sketch, go to Revolve features. The axis is this line here. The angle 360. Operation new body, press OK. We have this, okay. Go to create a sketch, select this face here. Select a circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 6 millimeters of diameter, press OK. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile here, make a cut here. The extended type to all, operation cut. To flip this, press OK. We made this, okay. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here. Select a circle, construction line type, make a circle here. Go to sketch dimension, select this edge here and select this circle here. The distance here is 10 millimeters. Okay, now select this circle again. Sorry, select line, construction line type, make a construction line type here. And select this circle, remove the construction line type, click here in this point, make a circle here. Okay. Now go to create, select your circular pattern, select this circle here. The center point is this circle. The quantity here is 80. Press OK. Go to create and select a point. Make a point here and make a point here. When go to sketch dimension, the distance here 3 millimeters. We have this, okay. Now go to Extrude, select all this profile here. Okay, the extended type here to object and select the bottom face here. The offset here minus 3 millimeters. Operation cut and press OK. We made this, okay. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here. We can show the sketch tree a little bit. Let me hide this body. Go to circle, make a circle here in the same center of this circle. The diameter here is 10 millimeters of diameter. Okay. Go to constraint, select concentric, select this circle and this one. Go to create, select the circular pattern. The object, this circle, the center point. Select this point here. The quantity here is 8. And press OK. We can hide this. We have this, okay. Show this body. Finish the sketch, go to Extrude, select all the circle. The operation here is cut, extended all. Let's flip this a little, press OK. We have this. Now go to Curate Sketch, select the front plane, select the circle, make a circle here with 6 mm of diameter. Go to Constraint, horizontal vertical, select this circle in the midpoint here. Okay. Now select the constraint tangent, select this line here and select this circle here. Okay. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile. The operation here is cut, the extended all. Flip this to this side here and press OK. We have this. Here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. See you in the next video. Bye bye.